Thinking of investing in cryptocurrency? Let's dive in. So what is crypto? Cryptocurrency or crypto is virtual or digital assets purchased with real money traded on blockchain technology. Unlike traditional money, it's not tied to any bank or government. It's fast and global. You can send money anywhere in seconds. It is also secure. Crypto uses advanced tech to keep your transactions safe. But how does it do that? Through encryption. Encryption is a method of converting information into a code to prevent unauthorized access. It ensures that only the intended recipient can read the information. This makes your transactions secure and private. You can now have full control of your own money. Some people have made huge profits with crypto, the type of money that could set you financially free. But there are cons too. Firstly, it's super volatile. Prices can swing wildly. It's still new and not widely understood. It could take a while before it is accepted as a form of currency. And there's always a risk of scams. Make sure you do your own research. Ready to get started? First, choose a reputable exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Second, create an account and verify your identity. Third, link your bank account or credit card. Finally, buy your first cryptocurrency. Start small and never invest more than you can afford to lose. And that's it. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. Happy investing!